So on video 2, we were trying to install the Chef Manage console, and I did find that that command basically did work, but it didn't return us back to this prompt, so we didn't come back to the root prompt. So strangely enough, that command did work, but we didn't get back to the root prompt on that command. So you can see here it said Chef client finished, and in video 2 we saw this was hanging here for a few minutes while we were wasting time. So I simply pressed return or the enter key and found that I got this prompt back. So this thing was done. The script was not written to give us a prompt back. It was hanging on something, but a key press ended the script. So it didn't end in a hostile way. I'm guessing this worked. Anyway, we did disable SELinux in video 2. We needed to reboot the server to make sure that SELinux was disabled from the config file, so SELinux would not run. So now I'm assuming that on this reboot that the Chef server does not have SELinux running. And let's take a look. So all the ops code stuff is still running. So upon reboot, all this stuff came up. So that's a good sign that when you install Chef server from the RPM file, that it does understand how to start itself up. Let's take a look at here. I'm not sure we still, okay, yeah, we don't use this stuff anymore in Red Hat 7. We don't use this stuff at all anymore. So somewhere it's starting it up. I don't really know where in 7 it is doing this stuff anymore. But anyway, we want to now use the console, so we have to do a Chef reconfigure, I know that. So let's reconfigure Chef. After we run this command here, install opscode manage, I'm fairly certain we need to do a reconfigure as noted right here. So let's do that without any delay. See how that works out. Looks like I must accept terms of a license agreement, which isn't shown, but let's press any key. Okay, there's license agreement. Let's do a quit. Type in yes. And hopefully this is going to bring up Chef client. There it comes. So I did try to get to the Chef server without doing a reconfigure, and what I got was I got Nginx serving up this page from the Chef server computer, and it was talking about installing the Chef Manage portion. So we did that on video 2, and I hadn't run a reconfigure. So let's see if the reconfigure will help us get to the Chef console. And I was reading we're relegated to 25 nodes. I only have 3 nodes for this demo, and I'm going to try and configure Ubuntu, Fedora, and a regular Red Hat 7.2 node. So for this demo, I want to try and configure those. So looks like now it finished. It gave us back a prompt. Chef client finished, reconfigured. So what does that mean? Does that mean we can get to this thing now? Let's I'm using a generic IP address here. I did have to accept a certificate. Okay, what if I just try a refresh? What will happen here? Bam. Okay, look at that. So it looks like it is running. In video 1, as you recall, we made an account called admin and admin. Let's see if that works. That should work, right? Let's take a look. Nope, doesn't work. So I'll have to go back to video 1 and look at what I named this stuff. I was pretty sure it was admin. But that's not going to work. So I'm going to stop this video and figure out the login credentials. And from there, we can take a look at the console in video 4. So thanks again for watching this, and have a great day.